Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to showcase the bowling test that I've been working on for the past week. In this test we learned a lot. We learned how to successfully use the Quest 2 with the Unreal Engine. We also learned how to add models and textures for different objects in the game, such as the bowling lane, the bowling ball, as well as the bowling pins. We also successfully learned how to add trigger boxes in the game to start certain events. In this case, we use the trigger boxes to add and delete pins as well as add a ball. As you can see there from the ball, when it hits that back wall, it also disappears. That's another one of those trigger boxes. And on the top, I just passed it, but there's 3 big numbers there that count when the pins have fallen over. So as you saw, it was 12, and when I turn back, it should be higher. I think 17. Here, I'm just messing with the physics. Or 19, there you go. Once we have successfully completed scanning the bog, we will hopefully be able to import this test into our scan and hopefully have a cool experience in VR, bowling at the bog.